Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games Launcher login loop error and can't login guys. Let's fix it guys. For that, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just seen anything named as Epic Game Launcher, you just need to select it and select end task, or right click it and select end task guys. In background processes and apps field, we just need to search for it if anything named as Epic Game Launcher. After doing it, close out of here and right click on the taskbar and select run, and in here you just need to type percentage local local app data data percentage local app data percentage again, and after typing it click OK. You just need to search for Epic Games Launchers guys. You just need to right click on it and select delete guys. You just want to delete it, and after deleting it close out of here and right click on the Epic Game Launcher in here, or go to search Epic Game Launcher. If you not have in desktop, you just need to search for Epic Game Launcher. Here will option guys, open file location, wait for it, open file location, click on it guys. Opens up Epic Game Launcher, right click on it and you just need to go to properties and select the compatibility tab, and you just want to disable full screen optimization. You just want to check mark it and do apply and OK. If there is already checked mark over here guys, you just want to uncheck it and select apply and OK guys. If it is check marked over here, you just want to uncheck it. If it is unchecked, you just want to check mark it and apply and OK. Hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point. For changes take effect, go ahead and restart your PC. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.